In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a international wire on Bank of America. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Bank of America application. Then go to the bottom menu and select on the option that says Pay and Transfer. From here, you want to go ahead and select on Wire right over here. It should be next to the Zelle button. So just go ahead and press on Wire right over here. And this basically allows you to go ahead and send money to different countries and in different currencies as well. So there's a lot of great features. But let's go ahead and press on Start a Wire. Then we need to go ahead and actually add the person we're trying to send money to as a recipient. So all you want to do is you want to press on Add New Recipient right over here. And then from here, you want to go ahead and select on where the account is actually located. So we do have a lot of great options over here. So all you want to do is you want to select on where the account is located. So for this example, let's go ahead and work with Mexico. Then you want to go ahead and press on Next. From here, you want to go ahead and select on the currency. Keep in mind, different currencies may come with certain fees. However, for this example, Mexican peso doesn't come with any fees, so I'm just going to go ahead and select on that. But basically, you want to go ahead and select on what currency you want to send. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on Next. From here, select on whether you are transferring to a personal or a business account. And then over here where it does say whose account it is, you want to go ahead and select on either my account or someone else's account. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on someone else's account. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on Next. Now from here, you need to go ahead and enter in their personal details, including their first and last name, their country, their address, their city, and their postal code as well. So I'll be right back with you guys once I went ahead and put in this information. But basically, you want to enter in all that information, then you want to go ahead and press on Next. So I'm going to meet you guys right after I press on the Next button. Okay, now next up, you will get a screen that looks like this. Now, it will actually be different depending on what country you're sending money to. So some countries require more information than others. For Mexico in particular, we will need a SWIFT code. So we need to go ahead and enter that in. And we'll also need the CABLE number right over here. So basically, we need to go ahead and enter that in. And then after you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on Next. And then that will basically add that person as a recipient on Bank of America. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and send the money, select on the amount you want, and then you may need to go ahead and confirm the transaction. But it really is that simple from there. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.